I'm going to show you 2 pasta shapes you can make with 0 special equipment. To get the dough recipe, click this comment. It's a traditional dough from the south of Italy, and it is coincidentally vegan. You don't even need a rolling pin for these shapes. All you need to do is make it into a snake with your hands. Now we'll cut up our cubes and shape them. Here's a little tip. Cover any dough you're not actively using with a bowl so it doesn't dry out. The first shape we're making is the easier one. It's called cavatelli. All you do is take one of the cubes that you made, press with 2 fingers and drag. It may take you a second to figure out how much pressure you need to apply, but really this is like the easiest shape. These are called orecchiette. They're one of my personal favorites. The name means little ears in Italian. It's a similar method, but you press down from the top with a knife and then drag it against the board. You're gonna need to use more pressure than you think. Then you just unroll it onto your finger. I'm not gonna lie, orecchiette are difficult to make, but if I can learn, so can you.